Hi there, my name is Bon, and I'm gonna be trying to assemble the XR 5.9 gold gym bench. Okay, I already took out everything that they on the floor and put everything in place just in case so I can start anytime. Alright, I already tried assembling this. I don't have any tools, so I'm gonna just put the manual there. I'm gonna get a tool later to fix it up. I already assembled this. This is the first step. Let's put it. But before you start, make sure you have everything that you need that's in the box. Make sure you have it. Okay, let's do the second step. Alright, the second step will be to attach the frame with the leg. To attach this and this together. Alright, so this is how it's going to be. To attach it, it's going to be like that. See? The frame will face up, then the leg obviously will be facing down. So this is how we're going to attach it, like this. Okay. Right, after you fix the frame and the leg, they're gonna be, after you fix them, they're gonna be like this. See? Alright, so the fourth step, the third step will be to orient the rear stabilizer so that the warning decals face upwards. Okay? This one. The warning decals have to face upwards, so kind of put the 18s on the wrong side. So I'm gonna need to take them off and put them on this side so that the warning side decal will face up. And then I'm gonna attach the rear stabilizer to this. Alright. So it's gonna be like this. Alright, so after you fix it, it's gonna be looking like this. The decals are facing out. Wait. Yeah, whatever. Kind of facing up. Alright. Okay, so the fourth step will be to attach the frame, the rear leg. So you're gonna attach this one, frame, to this one. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be kinda like this. Alright? Okay. Hope you got it. Step 5 will be to put these two pad tubes through here and here. After you put the tube, you're gonna put the pads themselves, which are here. You're gonna take them, 4 of them, and then you're gonna stick them to the tube. Okay. Alright. So that's how it's gonna look like. And then we're gonna put the pad caps on the side right there and there. Okay. Okay. After you fix them, they're gonna look like that. Alright. Okay, now to the 6th step, which is to attach the pivot bracket to the backrest frame. So this is the pivot bracket. This is the frame. You're gonna attach it right there. Okay. Alright, so when you're done fixing it, it's gonna look like this. Now this is how it looks. Okay. And then now we're gonna put it through here Let me show you. Like this. Okay. Okay, I just fixed the tether locking pin. It's right there. Yeah. Alright, we're now on the last parts. So we're going to attach the seats. We got this seat and we got this seat. So I'm gonna start with the the top seat, the bench, this one. I'm gonna start by putting it there. So it's gonna be like that. And then later I'm gonna put this one. Okay, so that's your bench right there. Okay. Right there. I won't lie, it took me quite a lot of time, but the video is 6 minutes. I had to take some pauses. I didn't have tools, so I didn't screw everything up, but after I'm done, I'm gonna tighten every little piece of nut. Make sure you do that. Alright, man, you can do it. I'm gonna finish up and maybe try 2 sets before I go to work. Alright, hope I helped you. If you've got any questions, well, just look at the manual. Alright, man, peace.